Saul Canelo Alvarez. Kasalukuyang pound for pound ng boxing. Magaling, malakas, mautak at matibay. Ilang champion na rin ang bumigay sa kanyang mga kamay.
Oh, there it is! A third time!
Ang iba pa ay nagka-injury pagkatapos ng laban. Talagang malakas itong tubong Meksikano sa bakbakan. Kasalukuyang 4 Division World Champion. May impresibong kartada na 57 wins, only 1 defeat, 39 via knockout at lumalaban ngayon sa light heavyweight division. Isa sa ebidensya kung gaano kalakas itong si Canelo ay noong nilabanan niya ang tubong Amerika, ang knockout artist na si James Kirkland. Isang malakas na boksidor din itong si Kirkland. Tatlo sa mga magagaling na tinumba niya ay sina Alfredo Angulo, Carlos Molina at ang undefeated na si Glenn Tapia. Pero sa laban nila ni Canelo, isang nakakagulantang na aksyon ang makikita. Halos bumaliktad ang ulo ni Kirkland sa lakas ng kamao ni Canelo na tumama sa kanyang ulo. Nangyari ang labang Kirkland versus Canelo noong Mayo 9, 2015 sa Texas. Non-title fight ang bakbakan. May record si Canelo dito na 44 wins, only 1 defeat, 31 via knockout, habang 32 wins, only 1 defeat, 28 via KO naman si Kirkland. Sabay nating balikan ang maaksyon at nakakatakot na laban.
James Kirkland's corner tonight is San Antonio's never trained a fighter of Kirkland's quality and a fighter, Chepo Reynoso and his son Jose. Round 1 begins. Right hand over the top. Backer or a counterpuncher?
Well, he's a counterpuncher, and tonight he'll have to be a counterpuncher because he's fighting a guy who's going to be all over him. But he can fight either way, Jim. He can attack or he can counter.
Canelo on the defensive right now as Kirkland fires away. Right hand by Canelo. Kirkland firing away. Lands a left, lands another left. Canelo's getting hit by Kirkland, and he's stuck in the corner.
But let's remember, Kirkland is vulnerable, especially when
Squares his feet up and forgets to stay in a responsible boxing stance.
He just got hurt bad with left hook.
on Canelo's right uppercut.
Kirkland opens to the right hand.
For seeing Kirkland try to play rope-a-dope, that tells you how hurt he must be.
Well, Canelo taking his time and landing the big shot knowing
Hard right hand. Down goes Kirkland. Minutes still to go in the first. Good stranger to getting knocked down in round 1. Kirkland has tasted the game.
It was his best option because now Canelo is throwing wicked body shots, wicked uppercuts, and Canelo has gotten comfortable. Pacquiao did last week. He's staying right in the wrong distance to win the fight.
Hard left hook by Alvarez.
Guys, the reason we know the other time he didn't have her, he was knocked out in the first round, and he's in jeopardy here in
Big
the
left
first
hook.
round.
Another right hand.
Bad body.
Since the early assault from Kirkland that locked him in the corner. Huge right hand. Left hook to the body. Canelo working. John Sorley looking. And Kirkland's going to make it out.
Once again, you see a straight right lead, block, body shot, straight right down the pipe. That right hand will put you down every time.
68 in round 1. 36 of them were power connect. 10 to the body. Just like that. Left hook to the body there. And another big left hook. Knocks Kirkland into the ropes. Alvarez landing everything. Straight right. Left to the body.
And still trying.
Uppercut by Alvarez. He's hitting him with everything but the kitchen sink. And Kirkland's still standing up.
That's why they call him the Mandingo Warrior,
And
Jim.
now the Mandingo Warrior starts to fire himself.
And it's bit.
Now Kirkland once again pins Canelo against the rope. And Canelo getting a little bit of a breather here.
What for? 99 out of 100 fighters have already lost this fight.
Twice.
Good head movement by Canelo Alvarez. Now he fires back to the body. Good left hand shot to the body. Hurt Kirkland again. Straight right hand.
Economically picking his shots. He wasn't just going haywire with it. So he is not punched out.
That was the right uppercut. Team Kirkland hoped to avoid. They're getting hit with everything. But that uppercut lifted him off the canvas.
Left to the body, right uppercut. Another big rally by Alvarez.
And he is tired. Left hook right on the button. Left hooks don't get landed any cleaner than this. I mean, wow. What a
After
beard.
almost getting knocked out in the first round. Only landed 16 of them.
Kirkland's conditioning coach, Bebe McClinton, said that the only athlete he's ever worked with, and he's worked with a lot of NBA and NFL, kind of great running back quality. When the play is over, his legs are still churning. Here's Kirkland.
shocked would we be at this point if this fight went 12 rounds?
Oh, no way.
No way.
This is what you should have gave $100 to see if you want to see a fight. You got a boxing match last week. That's a different thing than a fight. What we see from the best.
But if there's a skill advantage, it belongs to Canelo Alvarez, and that means premium for
Over will, and Kirkland has to change that equation.
perfect shots by Canelo Alvarez. Kirkland keeps coming.
He can't wear anybody down.
What a savage beating.
This is
Kirkland's
target
taking.
practice for Canelo Alvarez.
Yes, it is.
And Kirkland's taking every shot and coming back.
And tell him to cut there he is.
Uppercut knocks Kirkland down. Second knockdown of the fight.
Okay, baby. Hey, stay there. Come here. Show me something.
Kirkland at great pains to let John Shorley know he's not knocked out, just knocked down. Second knockdown. That right uppercut continues to land. There's a perfect straight right hand, and Shorley's going to stop the fight. What a performance by Canelo Alvarez. To himself about what he's been through in an unbelievable fight.
That was that uppercut, Jim, right up under the left jab, which is why he abandoned the jab. He wanted Kirkland to throw those in with the left hand and stuck it out like a jab, and then he countered it with the uppercut, which is why you don't stick late lagging punches out like that. You're thinking the whole time. He looked down to the body right with a jab and comes right over the top with the overhand right. He knew that Kirkland was prone to getting knocked down, and if you can get knocked down like that, it's not as hard to knock you out if you keep working the body shot. If you watch this attack, Canelo
There
always
he aims low and then fires upstairs. A perfect feint.
That's what I call look down but come up.
Amazing win for Alvarez. Let's go to Michael Buffer for the particulars on the knockout.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at Houston, Jalisco, Mexico, Saul Canelo
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.